Taking notes is supposed to save time, right? Yet somehow we spend more time hunting for them than using them. That's why 48% of employees jump between more than 2 tools regularly just to find information. The problem isn't taking notes, it's how we organize them. When your notes are structured, easy to find, and linked to your work, you think faster, decide better, and get more done. So let's look at 6 simple techniques to organize your notes and how tools like ClickUp can help you put them into action. Paper notes are so yesterday. Today, everyone prefers a digital whiteboard to brainstorm, visualize, and bring every idea together. With ClickUp Whiteboard, you can map out ideas, draw connections, upload images, and even turn sticky notes into actionable tasks, all in one place. And with ClickUp AI, image generation is built right into Whiteboard, so you can create images from creative prompts and even refine existing visuals on the spot, helping your teams explore ideas faster and more creatively. It's a simple shift, but it turns disconnected notes into one clear visual story you can act on. Now, whiteboards are great, but you need something more for the ideas that appear when you least expect them. So the next technique is about having a place to catch them the moment they appear in a digital notepad. With a tool like ClickUp's digital notepad by your side, you always keep those thoughts safe, organized, and easy to find later. You can jot down ideas, format them neatly, and sync them across devices. And when you're ready to take action, ClickUp AI can turn your notes into tasks, so you miss nothing. Let's move on. We all know when notes need more context, comments, and contributions. Plain text just won't cut it. That's when you need collaborative docs. With ClickUp Docs, teams can co-edit documents and even add task links right inside the doc. And with ClickUp Brain, the world's first contextual AI assistant that helps you turn scattered thoughts into structured, actionable notes, you can summarize your notes all without switching tabs. When ideas flow faster than you can type, ClickUp BrainMax's talk-to-text feature helps you capture them in real time. And you're not limited to notes. You can speak a task out loud and have it created instantly, so action starts as soon as the thought appears. Now, as we move ahead, starting from a blank page slows you down, so what you need is note templates. Templates can capture information faster and in a more structured way without missing key details. You can use ClickUp's Project Notes template to track goals, timelines, and next steps for each initiative. Switch to ClickUp's Meeting Notes template to record discussions, decisions, and action items in real time. And for everyday planning, try ClickUp's Daily Notes template, which helps you jot down priorities, reminders, and quick updates. Each template is customizable, so you can tweak it to exactly match your ideas and notes. Now, when your thoughts start branching out in all directions, the next technique can help you bring structure to the chaos. Building mind maps. Write your central topic in the middle and branch out with shapes for related ideas. With ClickUp Mind Maps, you can build this digitally, linking ideas, adding notes, and visually mapping out entire workflows. But here's the real magic. Your ideas don't just stay on the map, they become a real task. You can assign it to your team, set a deadline, and add notes, all without leaving the mind map. Now let's talk about the Cornell method. If you like your notes structured from the start, it's made just for you. It divides your page into 3 sections: notes, cues, and summary. ClickUp's Cornell Notes template takes the classic layout and makes it practical for real work. You get the main notes area, a cues column for quick prompts, and a summary section that helps you wrap everything up clearly. And because it's inside ClickUp, it actually goes beyond note-taking. You can turn any line into a task, embed a task list, or reorganize sections as your thinking evolves, helping your notes move from written down to put in motion. So these were the 6 proven techniques to give your notes shape, structure, and meaning. And with ClickUp, everything you jot down finally starts working together just like it should. Give it a try. Sign up for free at clickup.com.